In the remote deserts of northwestern New Mexico lies a mystery carved into the earth. Between 900 and 1150 AD, the ancestral Puebloans built a thriving civilization here, centered around Chaco Canyon. What remains today are massive stone great houses and an elaborate network of roads. They are known as the Chacoan Roads, impossibly straight paths that stretch for miles, sometimes across cliffs, mesas, and deserts. But what were they really for? Trade? Ceremony? Or something else entirely? Today, we're heading into the high desert with a single question. Could a forgotten Chacoan road still be hiding in plain sight? My journey begins with GPS coordinates gathered from weeks of online research, lidar maps, and whispers in archaeological circles. This place is isolated, barren. But almost immediately, signs emerge. Pottery, scattered shards like breadcrumbs left by an ancient people. And then rock piles, maybe just rancher markers, or maybe lithic scatter, remnants of a culture that thrived 1,000 years ago. The deeper I walk, the more the landscape begins to speak. And what it's saying is, I'm not the first one to walk this path. Then I see it, a faint but unmistakable line, cutting across the mesa with geometric precision. Could this really be it? A Chacoan road, still visible, still standing after centuries of sand and silence? The road doesn't wander. It doesn't bend. It's straight, almost unnaturally so. 8.3 miles, stretching from the southern edge of the mesa to where I'm standing now. Pottery shards dot the edges. And nearby, a known great house, one of the architectural anchors of the Chaco world. The pieces begin to align. But there's another question. Was this road always sacred, or has it been repurposed for modern life? The road eventually ends, not with ceremony, but at the edge of a wash. In the silence, I imagine the footsteps that once followed this path. Pilgrims, messengers, astronomers, or maybe something more spiritual. But now, tire marks overlay the past. Modern machines, gas exploration, mining, ranching, may have claimed this path for their own. This road could be ancient, or it could be a ghost, mimicking the real thing. But even in doubt, it tells a story of roads that lead not just to destinations, but to questions. Music fades into wind. This may be the end of the road. But the mystery? That still stretches on.